In this video, I'll talk about how to measure the electric field at different distances due to a point charge, which is +1 nanocoulomb. And we're going to do this by using the PhET simulation. Okay, so once you open the PhET simulation, this is how you're going to see it. So let's put the +1 nanocoulomb charge here. And then my goal is to measure the electric field. Okay, so just take this value and put it right here, and you can see here too uh, the if you look at this one square here, the one square represents the 50 centimeter, so this represents the 50 centimeter. All right, or you can measure this one by this tool as well. So if I drag it here, you see this is close to the 50 centimeter. Okay, or you can just you can measure by this square here. Each square represents the bigger square represents the 1 centimeter. So just take the sensor and put right here, and this gives you the value of 36.8 voltmeter is the value of the electric field at a distance of close to 50 centimeter. You can make it closer. Okay, I'm just giving you an idea. Okay, so you got the idea. So you might have to adjust a little bit, but at 50 centimeter the value you get is about 36.8 volt per meter. So you come here, and this is the value 56.8 volt. Oh, sorry, 36.8. I think it was 36.8. 36.8 volt per meter, and you have to change the 50 centimeter distance to meter. So you have to divide it this number by 100, and if you divide it by 100, you'll get 0.5 meter. The next is calculate electric field from equation, and as this is a point charge, due to a point charge, the electric field is given by this formula here. This formula gives you the uh, formula for calculating electric field, where K is a constant, and you know the value of K is 9 times 10 to the 9. Q is the charge, which is 1 nanocoulomb charge, and R is the distance, which is 0.5 meter. If you plug in all values, you'll get the uh, calculation of the electric field. So get these two values now. Okay, let me measure one more value. Let's say about 300 centimeter. Open the PhET simulation. I'm not going to use this tool here. What I'm going to do, this represents the 1 meter, 2 meter, and 3 meter. Okay, because this is 50 centimeter, 1 meter, 2 meter, and 3 meter. What's the value I'm getting? It is 1 volt per meter. So come to the table and then write down the 1, and the unit is already given, volt per meter. And then what is the distance in meter? It is 3 meter. That's it. And then the same way you have to calculate it. Plug in this formula here. You know the value of K, you know the value of Q, which is this value, and R is 3 meter. Plug in, and this value, the measured value and the calculated value has to be very, very close. It has to be very, very close. That's how you can check your calculation or your measured values are correct. Okay, so this is it for measuring the electric field using the PhET simulation. Thank you.